Do you enjoy holding a small, lightweight phone with a large battery? The battery life of the Xiaomi 12X might be its most distinguishing feature. Even when streaming music, watching a few movies, navigating and taking pictures, the 4500 mAh battery lasts forever and seldom runs out in a single day. After 30 days of use, how long do you think the Xiaomi battery will last? Stay tuned for this Xiaomi 12X battery review, battery life test. I have a joke about Xiaomi, but it's still under testing. When it comes to charging, the Xiaomi 12X is up to the task. Like many modern smartphones, the Xiaomi 12X is powered by a 4500 mAh battery. To 50%, the Xiaomi 12X requires just over 15 minutes of charging time with the bundled 67-watt charger. And to 100%, it takes just over 45 minutes. When coupled with the Xiaomi charger, the device has wireless charging capability of 50 watts and cable charging at 67 watts. It's more than adequate for daily use to have the 67-watt connected rapid charging capacity. With a total endurance rating of almost 8 hours after being used for both light and heavy tasks, including messaging, surfing, listening to music, watching a few movies, and navigating and snapping images, the Xiaomi 12X did admirably in our battery life test. We'll bring you details on the size of this phone and how it allowed for a larger battery. Keep watching. Display. The Xiaomi 12X has a 6.28-inch AMOLED display with 1080 by 2400 pixels resolution. This type of display is called Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diodes, AMOLED. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and enable post notifications to stay up to date on the latest in cutting-edge technology. Organic light emitting diodes, OLEDs, are used in cell phone displays. It is the first panel in the world to have native 12-bit color, allowing it to display more than 68 billion colors with the highest brightness and sharpness. During our testing, we noticed that the Xiaomi 12X enhances images like your eye's focus does so that you don't miss a single detail in bright or poor lights. It is certified for Dolby Vision and HDR10+, high dynamic range, and features a touch sampling rate of up to 480 Hz and a dynamic refresh rate of 120 Hz. By extending the exposure range, the HDR mode on some cameras enables you to see more details in your photographs. The only smartphones capable of fully showing Dolby Vision contents are the Xiaomi 12X and Xiaomi 12, as Dolby Vision is the only HDR format that supports 12-bit colors. You don't have to zoom in or scroll horizontally to view web pages, play fun games, or watch movies on the big screen. As a result, text and images on the Xiaomi phone's display are cleaner and more readable. Oh, and a fingerprint scanner behind the display works brilliantly. When you contact the glass, the sensor activates and instantly scans and unlocks the phone. It is one of the quickest scanners there is on smartphones. Size. Despite its diminutive size and light weight, the Xiaomi 12X is strong and grippy enough, and it has a beautiful yet understated design that makes it a joy to use. This is what we found out while testing the device for our Xiaomi 12X review. Those who value the ability to use a phone with one hand while on the go may appreciate the Xiaomi 12X. The Xiaomi 12X measures a weight of 152.7 mm, a width of 69.9 mm, and a thickness of 8.2 mm, and weighs 176 grams. At this size, what's the price point? That's coming up. Design.
I like this.
For example, the Xiaomi 12X has an aluminum frame with an aluminum surface that is visible, as well as other characteristics that help to reduce energy consumption and the usage of non-renewable resources. The front and back panels are both curled equally, creating an appealing symmetry in the design.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
Thanks to its curved screen, it fits wonderfully in hand, even when using the included clear cover. While we're looking at the Xiaomi 12X's general design, we'd like to commend the company on its attention to detail and overall symmetry, which extends to the form and the speaker grills. The top and bottom exits are precisely similar and symmetrical. Just one component on the back is worth mentioning: the rectangular metal camera housing, which contains the Xiaomi 12X camera, tri-camera array, 50 megapixel primary sensor, 13 megapixel ultra-wide sensor, a 5 megapixel macro sensor on the back. A 32 megapixel selfie camera can be found on the front of the device. Xiaomi is determined to dominate the smartphone photography and filmmaking business with its upcoming 12X camera and other improvements. During the company's launch ceremonies, Xiaomi has repeatedly emphasized how its products can replace traditional video cameras in many situations. Price. If you're interested in purchasing the Xiaomi 12X, you'll be able to do so at a starting price of $749/749 euros at the time of this writing from various retailers, such as the Xiaomi Store and Amazon. This is the end of the video. The Google Pixel Watch will soon be available, so please take a look at our other video before you leave. Google made the announcement a few months ago. For all the reasons outlined in that video, we believe it's a worthwhile purchase for you to make. Watch it here. Pixel Watch Review. Pixel Watch Smartphone Leaks 2022. Keep an eye out for us.